Yes.
Okay, kids, dive in. There it is. Bark for breakfast.
I want a donut.
I want pizza.
No, you don't.
Okay, this is great. Granted, it takes some time to chew, but that was very satisfying. And by the way, lots of fiber in there, too. Lots.
I gotta admit, that does look tasty.
What are you doing here?
I'm here to help you with your foraging thing. Look, Vern, you said a word yesterday about your little gang here. Starts with an F. Do you remember what it was?
Family?
Right, that. You know, that got me right here. You see, Vern, I used to have all that. My own place, surrounded by loved ones, a universal remote. But then all that went away with the weed hacker incident.
Oh, come here. Yeah, that feels good, doesn't it?
Oh, brother.
Jeepers, Vern.
We could always use the extra hand there, you know.
The weed hacker, Vern. The weed hacker.
Okay. Not your problem. I'll just go. This is me. Going. Been nice. Really nice getting to know you all. Yeah, I'm sure I'll see you around the forest.
Oh.
Take care.
All right. Hey, RJ, you can stay.
Come here, you big love.
Oh.
I knew beneath this hard, crispy outside there was a soft, nougaty center in there. Do you mind if I call you Uncle Vern?
With every bone in my body.
Great.